Well, now at 5:30, the coronavirus pandemic affecting, of course, many aspects of our lives, including sporting events.
The polo season is about a month away, and for Wellington, you know that's a big deal. CBS 12's Al Peffley takes a look at how that will be affected by COVID-19.
This is field number one, and in a normal season, each winter they would have polo matches here every Sunday afternoon that draw thousands of people. But that will not be the case when International Polo Club Palm Beach resumes polo games here next month. Probably the biggest change is they will not be open to the general public. They will still have polo matches, but the only spectators will be season ticket holders who purchase a grandstand box. Masks and social distancing will be required unless someone is mounted on a horse and competing. Face masks can be removed when eating and drinking. Grooms and players will have their temperature taken before each game. Polo generates a lot of money for restaurants, hotels, feed stores, and places that sell polo gear. The founder of a polo gear shop in Wellington says COVID-19 will have a financial impact on the polo industry and the businesses in Wellington.
Well, I think it's going to affect it. There's no question. It will affect the number of players that can get here. It will affect the number of spectators, but we're all excited to have a good season anyway.
Polo gear founder Gary Feller says due to travel restrictions, it may be more difficult for polo players to get here from Canada, from Europe, and from Argentina. He says he's been blessed that he's still been busy. He makes jerseys for players and sells polo boots, mallets, and other gear, and his business is global, so he does a lot of business on the internet and by phone. This facility shut down completely last March when the COVID pandemic began. There will be polo games at this complex every day because they have several polo fields. But the big games here are held each Sunday, and that starts January 3rd and runs through mid-April. In Wellington, Al Peffley, CBS 12 News.